Okay, this is quick bit of revision on the cosine rule. So again, you should have seen this at GCSE. And just to remind you, standard labelling of triangles. So A, B, C, lowercase, opposite side. So if you're in a case where you've got opposite sides and angles, you use the sine rule. Cosine rule is a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos A. I'm not sure if that's in your formula book. It used to be, but I'm not sure. We'll need to check that. If you look at what's happening here, the right-hand side of this equation is b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos A. B, C, A. So we're doing cos of the angle A. So the right-hand side of this equation involves two sides and the included angle. So we've got two sides, B and C, and the included angle A between the two. And then the left-hand side, the lowercase a, is opposite to the angle. So this is side opposite to angle. So you use the cosine rule in two cases. Either when you know two sides and the included angle. So you know the stuff on the right hand side and you're trying to find the opposite side. I'll go through an example of each in a minute. And the second scenario for using the cosine rule is when you know all three sides and you want to find an angle. So I'll go over one of each of those. So case A is where we have two sides, an included angle, and we want to find the opposite side. So you couldn't do that with sine rule because you don't have opposite sides and angles, but you have two sides and the included angle, you want the opposite side, so it's cosine rule. And then applying the formula, again, I wouldn't label it up ABC. The right hand side of the equation, let me just pop it back on. Hopefully you can see that. But the right hand side is your two sides included angle, but it's symmetrical, so it doesn't matter which way around you put your two sides. So this is the one I want to find. So x squared is equal to one of the sides squared plus the other one squared minus 2 times 7 times 9 times cos of the included angle. And then that's just nice and easy. The only mistake I see here is bid mass, in all honesty. Your calculator follows bid mass perfectly, so you can just pop that into your calculator. X squared comes out as 68.91, and then square rooting x is equal to 8.30. It's always worth just looking at your answer and seeing if it looks reasonable. So, I mean, it's not the best drawn triangle, but 8.3 seems like a reasonable value for x. Right, the other time you use cosine rule is when you have three sides and you want an angle. You could rearrange the formulae if you wanted to. I tend to say plug in and then rearrange. I think you'll find that slightly easier. So the left-hand side is the side opposite the angle. And so 7 squared is equal to 6 squared plus 3 squared minus 2 times 6 times 3 times cos of the included angle. And again, just be careful about BIDMAS. So 49 is equal to 36 plus 9 minus 36 cos x. So 36 cos x is going to equal 36 plus 9, which is 45, minus 49, which is minus 4. And so cos x is equal to minus 4 over 36, which is minus the 9th. And then from there, x comes out as being 96.4 degrees. And again, just look at your sketch. Does that look reasonable? It does, I believe. So that should be quite self-explanatory. I do just see some students deciding to do some weird stuff with BIDMAS here. So make sure you subtract before you divide by 36. Apart from that, it should be straightforward.